the light of my day. Before the sun rises, I call your name. The air is quiet, my heart is awake, my soul is reaching for your embrace. I lift my hands to the King of Glory, the one who writes my living story. Through every night, through every pain, your mercy calls my name again. Chineke Namdinelu, you carried me through the dark. Oh, Chioma Ezibonam, your love awakens my heart. Good morning, Jesus, my heart will sing. You are the reason my life begins. From dawn till evening, I will proclaim Jesus forever the same. Good morning, Jesus. Ebube Dike, you are the strength inside of me, my breath, my song, my melody. Jesus, you are enough for me. Good morning, Lord. Good morning. We worship you. Good morning. Good morning, Lord. Good morning, Lord. We adore you. As the sun rises over the mountains, your grace is flowing like a fountain. Every new day your mercy speaks, strength for the humble, hope for the weak. Nara, Ekele, receive my praise. You are the ancient of days, Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. Faithful Father, closest friend. Onyema, my refuge strong, you put a new worship in my song. Ezamu, King of all kings, heaven responds when your children sing. Good morning, Jesus, my heart will sing. You are the reason my life begins. From dawn till evening, I will proclaim Jesus forever the same. Good morning, Jesus. Ebube Dike, you are the strength inside of me, my breath, my song, my melody. Jesus, you are enough for me. Chioma, 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 Ebube Dike, Ebube Dike, Chioma, Ebube Dike, Ebube Dike, Anina Efegi. We worship you, Lord. When the morning dew touches the ground, your glory rises all around. Every heartbeat, every breath, you conquered sin, you conquered death. I will worship at the break of dawn.